The lizard has to poop. Nope, go poop. There's no way that just came out of you. Yeah, I'm sure that feels better. Are you done? Are we all done pooping? Don't even ask me how it got to this. I literally just tried it once, and ever since then, this is the only way she will poop. Yeah, we poop on the potty. I don't know. So don't ask me how to train your dragon, how to use the potty, because I don't even know how I got here. I really don't. So, look at this girl. Do you feel so much better?